Hi everyone, it's Helen here and thank you for joining me today. So we're going to be working with the accessory set from the new Perpetual calendar collection. So in one of my previous videos we made this Perpetual calendar here with the cubes and the months and the drawer, and we also have some accessories that match this. So the best way I can show you is to show you some examples first of what it looks like. So this here is what is going to make this shaped file box here with the ornate top. Now I've decorated this with my Christmas in London papers, and it also fits in the portrait mini album. Now some of you may have already watched the tutorial for this mini album. I'll show you the dies for this in a moment. So I now have a lovely case to keep this in. Isn't that just fabulous? I absolutely love that. And then we have the smaller of the two here that is going to make this cute little box there. So again, this is, you can keep short pens and short pencils in here, but it's perfect for storing in your accessories. You can pop in your little tape runners in there, or even if you have bottles of things like that, you can fit 4 of those in there. So it's absolutely perfect for keeping your craft desk tidy. I will be using this for paper clips and binder clips and things like that. Okay, so the die set for this album I'll quickly show you, because I want to show you everything that I'm using today. Is the portrait album die set and the small ultimate binding, and it also fits in this mini album here, which is the mini album die set that was part of the snapshot collection. So here is the mini album there. I haven't decorated yet, it's ready for me to decorate, and it's got pockets in the top, but this would be like a sideways album, so I would make it, I'm going to decorate this as a flip book just like that. That is going to pop in there just like so. Okay, so without further ado, let's get on with showing you how to put these together. So I've made a right mess of my desk already, so I'm going to be die cutting one of these, and as you can see it comes with the mats as well. So I have that here. I'm trying to get rid of this glare. Let's pop that just there. You're probably not going to be able to see it, so let's pop it somewhere where I can reach it. Okay, so we have one here that I've die cut already. You're going to also be needing the rectangle that also comes as a die, and we have the smaller version as well here. So I'm just going to lay everything out and I'll show you how to put one of these together. Okay, so we have 2 backs here. These are exactly the same die, so we have the back for this one here, and then the same back you can use for the shorter one. Then we have the rectangle for that one, the square for that one, and I've got all of the mats here. Again, I'm keeping with the nautical theme because I'm going to be making a desktop set to match this calendar here. So let's show you the papers. These are the travel keepsakes, also from Simply Made Crafts. So I have my mat there, so I'm quickly show you. I'm hoping I've cut enough mats. And again, you can cut 2 each of each side, so then you can decorate the inside as well. There we go. So get all of your mats glued on, and then we can assemble. Okay, now there is our little file folder done. I do have a little album I can put in there. Here we go. I have this memories album here. Again, I've got the nautical theme as well. I did make this extra curvy, so it may have trouble getting in there, might push it out a little bit, but if you were to make this album and didn't add the curved binding, the spine on there, it would fit absolutely perfectly. So you can pop that in. There we go. There is our little memory album in its file box, and there's loads of room in there. There's loads of room in there. Again, this is using the same die set as this album here. Okay, so I'm going to quickly pop together this one here, and then I can show you the entire set together. Okay, so I've got all my set done now. So I have my file folder here, I have my perpetual calendar, and I have my little box here, my little accessory pen pot box that you can put accessories in. So you can't really see it from up above, so let's turn it down on its side so that you can actually see this. This looks really good on your desktop, on your craft desk. Let's grab the memory album to pop into here. There we go. And again, you can go for different combinations as well. You can have two of these boxes either side. You can make a whole row of these ones as well. Let's take that out. It's wanting to wobble on its back. So you can make a whole row of these as well. And you can pop in your accessories, your paper clips. And you can keep little bits of paper in here, or some photographs and things like that. So I've listed everything that I've used today down below, so don't forget to check those out. So this is the Perpetual Calendar collection, and I'll also be teaming these up with, I almost forgot to show you, with this Nautical stamp and outline die set as well. So we have the lighthouse, seaweed, the ship's wheel there, the anchor, and then we have the dies that are going to cut that out. And also I've kept this, I've been using this to help me line everything up, and I have a separate video out for that one as well on how to do that really quickly and easily. Okay, so thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like the brand new collection. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you again soon.